Smart city matter, we told the court that out of the 11 stretches where the urgent repairs are required, as far as 8 stretches are concerned, we will do the repairs, and the roads will be made more motorable within a period of 15 days time. We will have a rubble soaring on these 7 stretches of the road. As far as one stretch is concerned, the court had already made an order saying that the smart city will do a sort of a concreting which is called as dry lean concreting, that will happen at the stretch from Santini's junction to Kakula Mall. As far as 3 stretches are concerned, that is the stretch starting from Santini junction to Kampal Trade Center. The second stretch is from All India Radio to Joggers Park, and the third stretch is road from Azad Maidan up to police station. That stretch will have to be done up by the CCP, because one thing is, the 2 out of these 3 stretches are not subject matter of smart city. The stretch from Azad Maidan up to police station was already completed by the smart city, but it was opened by the CCP for some cross drainage, so that work they will have to do. The court has kept the matter day after tomorrow for CCP to report to the High Court as to within how much time they will be able to do this work. So that is the order that is made by the High Court today. Accordingly, the smart city will do this rubble soling of these 7 stretches, and as far as one stretch is concerned, it will be dry lean concreting. Other 3 stretches, it is the CCP who is going to take care of the situation. This is however subject to the dry season being there, and the monsoon rains be not there.